forever be mine. Woo! But then I got the chance to see something super special. So what's going on? We're in the town of Harrogate today for a car show, and I'm told that there's a lot of cars around here, a lot of sick whips. I spent a few bits of times in Harrogate, but it's actually really nice. Like, I low-key love it here. Like, the buildings just look sick, nice architecture, and it's just a vibe. Obviously it's solar eclipse day today, so we'll see what's actually gonna happen. Well, we won't physically see, but I'm gonna go check out this car meet. Starts in about 20 minutes, and yeah, we'll see what whips that the guys have brought out and girls. Lock in. So just arrived at the car meet, and there's some cool cars here. I wasn't really sure what type of cars because it's a classic event, but as you can see, we've got a selection here. So yeah, let's go check them out. Just met the owner of Classic Car Sundays. He just subscribed, so thank you, man, appreciate it. So we've got Jag here. There's the SLK. She just parked up, resting, pulled in with this Beamer Z3, Z4, I think it is. Z4. Yeah, nice. Aston Martin, I believe it's a Vanquish or Vantage. Very nice. Looks aggressive. Look at the back. Nice. Just here with Angus, just met him at the Classic Car Sunday car meet. How you doing, man? You good?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Excellent. So which is your favorite car so far, Angus? Tell me.
Either the Vantage behind us.
Okay.
I'm not sure what Opel that is, but it's really nice.
Nice. Cool. And you've been to a few of these before, right?
Yes, I have, yeah. Mostly the Sunday meets. This is the first evening meet we've done.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna have a good look. I think there's a few more starting to come in, so.
Yeah.
But yeah.
There's a few more cars coming in, I think. It should be good.
Nice. Well, nice to meet you, man. Yeah. So I'm gonna go socialize and check out the cars. Don't want to be the guy who's doing YouTube in the mix when there's all of these beautiful cars around me. So I will get some shots after.
Boy, you showed me time and time again. I can't trust you, not even as a friend. So just tell me how it all ends.
Classic MR2. This one looks sick. This one actually looks sick. Look at the wheels. This is what I'm talking about, man. Nice. But then I got the chance to see something super special, and I couldn't pass on this opportunity. It was either wait for the eclipse, which I still managed to see, or see these gems of a supercar. Watch this. That's cool, don't worry. So my initial thoughts after yesterday's car meet was that it was really cool to see like how other people, you know, maintain and upgrade and look after their cars, and just have like conversations really with like other car enthusiasts. Like, you really don't realize how much you have in common, and because you have those things in common, you can have like really cool conversations. So yeah, I had a good chat with this guy who had the Aston Martin Vantage V8 manual, like really nice car, lots of carbon details, and it was just kind of like motivational. Obviously, seeing the Bugatti, seeing the Senna, you know, it was like motivational. Like, okay, this is what's available, you know, if you put the work in. So I'm looking forward to doing more car meets like that, and probably doing just some more like laid back type videos where I just focus on the cars, you know, don't have to be like long conversations and unnecessary chat for the sake of it. So yeah, I hope you like this type of video. Of course, I didn't want to be the guy that was, you know, doing YouTube with the selfie cam and all of this. I did actually want to enjoy the cars and have some conversations, which is, I think, what I did. So appreciate you watching. Make sure you lock in because I've got more stuff coming. The summer isn't finished yet, and there's more places to drive foreign. So appreciate you watching. Make sure you like, drop me a comment, leave me feedback, and if you like the video, subscribe. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace.